This week, we're launching our first version of subscriptions on Instagram. At the beginning of the year, I said we're gonna build primarily for teens and for creators, and subscriptions are for creators. Now, creators do what they do to make a living, and it's important that that is predictable. And subscriptions are one of the best ways to have a predictable income. A way that is not attached to how much reach you get on any given post, which is inevitably gonna go up and down over time. So this first version is a test here in the US, relatively small number of creators, and 3 major integrations. The first is stories. So creators are gonna be able to go live just to their subscribers, and you can get exclusive access to those stories. They'll be marked with a purple ring so you know that it's just for you. The second is subscriber lives. So a creator can go live just to their subscribers. And the third is you'll get a subscriber badge, a little purple indicator so the creator knows that you're a subscriber when they see you in comments, in DMs, or anywhere else across Instagram. Now, over time, we hope to expand these features because it's important that subscriptions are integrated throughout the entire Instagram experience. We also believe that creators should own their relationship with their subscribers. So we're working on ways that creators can take their subscriber list and bring them off of Instagram to other apps and websites built by other companies. Anyway, check it out if you see it. We're gonna be growing it hopefully over the next couple of months, but starting with a very small number of creators to start. But we're very excited about this important step. See you next week. Peace.